Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making instant fruit and nut muffin. For this we need cherries, grapes, black grapes, raisin, cashew nut, almonds, walnut, vanilla essence, milk, fruit salt, chocolate biscuit, Marie biscuit and glucose biscuit. So grind the Marie biscuit, glucose biscuit and some chocolate biscuit to make a fine powder. Now add milk to find a smooth consistency. Add few drops of vanilla essence. Mix it well. Now let's chop our dry fruits: walnut, almonds, cashew nut, raisin, some more almonds. Now add these chopped dry fruits into our batter. Now slice fruits, grapes, some black grapes, some cherries and mix all together. If you find your batter is too thick, add some more milk, 1 or 2 teaspoons. Now add 1 teaspoon of fruit salt, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of milk. Now gently fold it to make your muffin spongy. Very gently, just fold it. Now take muffin mold, add batter, garnish with cherry and now microwave it and your instant fruit and nut muffin is ready. Thank you.